So I'm just changing the bulbs on the low beam bulbs on the Mazda Miata NC. Just wanted to iterate on what I did this time to get to the bulbs. So this side for sure easier, access from the top, remove these two bulbs. This, once that goes and clips, and there's a wiring harness to pull off here. So that you can put aside. You have enough room. You don't even have to disconnect the wiring harness to the windshield washer fluid. You'll have enough access to get to the bulb there. On this side, don't even bother attempting it from the top. Although you can put your hand in this much on this side, so your left hand, and then your right hand will have great access. You have two-hand control. You'll have more control on this side and that side actually, with just removing this this plastic cover around the wheel. Turn your wheel out. You could remove the wheel completely. I mean, it'd be easier. And I just removed enough clips here, and on that side. I think all the way up to 2/3 of this plastic cover that I removed the just so I can slip a light in there. Now I can squeeze my hand in there. If you can see on this side, I don't know if you can see that, but my hand is there. There, you can see it, and I have lots of room to get in there. And then I can also go in with my left hand on this side. So it's and there's a light at the bottom, so it's got a lot of light. And that's it. That's the way you do that without removing this box or anything. Cheers.